What makes construction fleet management different? You might be managing dump trucks, trailers, excavators, loaders, cranes, service vehicles, and other heavy equipment, all working across different job sites. So the best construction fleet management software needs to do more than track vehicles. It needs to help you keep equipment maintained, improve equipment utilization, keep inspections and testing documented, manage repairs, and keep assets ready for work. Here are 5 platforms worth considering. Number 1. Simply Fleet. If maintenance is at the center of your construction operation, Simply Fleet brings the workflow together, with construction equipment maintenance software designed for mixed fleets. Set preventive maintenance by mileage, engine hours, or time, run mobile inspections, report equipment issues with photos, turn those issues into work orders, and keep service history and costs connected to each asset. That means a truck can follow mileage-based maintenance while an excavator follows engine hour maintenance, without managing them in separate systems. For construction fleets managing mixed assets across multiple locations, that's a major advantage. Try Simply Fleet using the link below. Number 2. Tenna. Tenna is built specifically around construction equipment fleet management, with preventive maintenance, service requests, work orders, inspections, and asset history. It's worth considering if you want a broader equipment service management platform for construction, connecting field and shop operations. Number 3. HCSS Equipment 360. Equipment 360 is designed for heavy civil construction, with preventive maintenance, inspections, work orders, maintenance requests, inventory, and equipment history. It's especially relevant if your operation already relies on the broader HCSS ecosystem and needs a construction equipment maintenance management system. Number 4. MaintainX. MaintainX is a general maintenance platform built around work orders, preventive maintenance, inspections, and asset management. It can work for construction teams, but you'll want to evaluate how well a general maintenance system fits your construction equipment maintenance and fleet management workflows. Number 5. Limble. Limble is another CMMS option focused on preventive maintenance, work orders, work requests, and asset management. It's worth considering if you're primarily looking for equipment maintenance tracking software for construction, rather than a construction fleet-specific platform. So, which one should you choose? If you need a broad construction equipment ecosystem, look at Tenna or HCSS. If you're looking primarily for general maintenance management, MaintainX or Limble may fit. But if your priority is connecting construction vehicles and heavy equipment with preventive maintenance, inspections, equipment issues, work orders, and service history, Simply Fleet is worth putting at the top of your list. If you're wondering what to look for in construction equipment management systems, start with the maintenance workflow. How easily can your team track equipment, schedule service, document inspections, manage repairs, and understand each asset's history? Try Simply Fleet using the link below.